Hello everyone. Today's topic is Gene versus Allele Part 2. So in this class, we will learn how are genes and alleles inherited, genotype, phenotype, homozygotes, heterozygotes, dominant gene and recessive gene. So please watching till the end of my video. Welcome back once again in your biology class. Myself Nowsin and you are watching Educational Support. Every time I try to upload a new video only for you. So click the title button and subscribe to my YouTube channel today. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you have turned on notifications on your phone so that whenever I release a video, you will see it on your homepage. So without invest any time, let's get started. In my previous video, I was discussing gene versus allele part 1. But today, I will discussing gene versus allele part 2. Accordingly, the expression of any given trait would depend on two sources of information. These two sources are a paternal allele and a maternal allele. Did you know what are the maternal alleles and paternal alleles? Or how are genes and alleles inherited? So when humans proceed, the child receives 23 chromosomes from each parent. Each matching chromosome pair contains the same set of genes with unique genes located on a certain spots known as the gene locus. So this inheritance means that individuals have two gene copies for a given trait. One inherited from their mother and the other from their father. So these are known as maternal alleles and paternal alleles. So it is how these alleles interact that is responsible for the unique characteristics. So did you know what is genotype and phenotype? A genotype is all the genes passed on to an individual by their parent. But not all of the genes you can carry end up being translated into visible traits. So the sets of physical characteristics an individual has is called a phenotype. For example, take an individual who has one allele for blue eyes and one for the brown eyes. Based on this information, we know that their genotype includes blue eyes and brown eyes. If you observe that the individual has blue eyes, in other words, blue eyes is the expressed trait, then we know that their phenotype includes blue eyes but not brown eyes. So viewers, if you enjoyed this video or learned anything, then press a like button and don't forget to subscribe. If anyone missed my previous videos, then visit my YouTube channel Educational Support. A link of these videos are given in my description box below. So go for it and subscribe my channel. Next, I was discussing what is homozygotes and what is heterozygotes. So did you know how does the body know which alleles to express? This comes down to the properties of alleles that are paired. Every individual has two copies or alleles or a single gene. When the alleles are the same, they are known as homozygous. When they are different, they are called as heterozygous. So, genotype can be either homozygous or heterozygotes. When the two inherited alleles for a given gene are identical, this specific gene is called homozygous. Alternatively, when the two genes are different, the gene is said to be heterozygous. So, what is a dominant gene and what is a recessive gene? A dominant gene or allele is one that always determines the phenotype when present. Dominant traits require the presence of only one allele in order for the given trait to be expressed. On the other hand, a recessive allele is one that is not expressed when its paired allele is dominant. So, recessive traits can only be expressed if the genotype is homozygous. For example, with eye color, the brown eye allele is dominant to the blue eye allele. So, this means that a child with a blue allele from their mom and a brown allele from their dad will end up with brown eyes. But a child with two blue eyes will display the blue eyes phenotype. So next I am sharing functions of genes and alleles. Genes are responsible for the traits of an organism. They act as instructions for protein synthesis. Proteins provide diverse molecules that play many critical roles in our bodies, such as producing hormones and creating antibodies. There is one pair of each gene present on homologous chromosomes and one from each parent. So, humans have two copies of each gene, one inherited from their each parent. So, these are known as alleles that play an important role in shaping the features of an individual. Alleles are versions of the same gene with slight variations in the sequence of DNA base. These small differences among alleles of the same gene contribute to each person's unique characteristics. In conclusion, everyone inherits a pair of genes from their parents, and these genes may be present in different allelic forms. So, variation in traits like eye color or hair color is the result of different alleles of a specific genes. So, a gene spatially is a part of the DNA structure and it decides the genetic traits of an individual, and alleles are the different variations of the same gene and they determine a single characteristics. So the difference between gene and allele can be better understood with the help of this table, with the help of this chart. So here is the conclusion. The short answer is that an allele is a variant form of a gene. Explained in greater detail, each gene resides as a specific location on a chromosome in two copies, one copy of the gene inherited from each parent. The copies, however, are not necessarily the same. When the copies of a gene differ from each other, they are known as allele. A given gene may have multiple different alleles, though only two alleles are present at the gene's locus in any individuals. Alleles can sometimes result in different phenotypes, with certain alleles being dominant or in some cases multiple alleles acting in a co-dominant fashion. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. If you want me to teach you more, if you want me to make more this kind of video, make sure you comment below under this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and turn on the notifications. It's very important for you because every single time when I release a video, there's a chance that you will see it on your homepage. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.